again, guys. So I just finished filming the how to clean out your closet video, and now it is time to organize it. This is how I like to organize my closet, and I thought I would share it with you guys. Obviously this is my closet, this is my sister's closet, but it's the same principle, so I wanted to show you guys what I think is the best way to organize your closet. So let's get into it. When looking at my closet, what I like to do is take out all of the clothes that I wear on an everyday basis. So my favorite t-shirts, my favorite dresses, my favorite sweaters, and put all of those on one side of the closet. Now this is because when I wake up in the morning, I know exactly where to go to find all of my most used pieces of clothing. And then on the other side of the closet, I will put all of my clothes that I don't wear as much, but I still wear and I'm not gonna get rid of them. They're just not my everyday go-to outfits. What I like to do is then just the basic organizing. So we're going to put sweaters, long sleeves, short sleeves, dresses, however you like to organize it like that, or if you want to color code it, whatever you like. So when she is going in the morning to get ready, she knows that she can go to this side of her closet and find all of her favorite pieces, and they are organized. So it's super easy to find an outfit. Now, as for this side of the closet, it's got just all of her stuff that she still likes, even though she doesn't wear every day, but it's still stuff that she doesn't want to get rid of. We're just going to do the same thing: dresses, shirts, skirts, tank tops, sweaters, all of that stuff, and organize it the same way that we did over there. And there we go. We have finished organizing the closet. I know obviously this wasn't a very in-depth closet organization, but I found that this way to separate the clothes in my closet has really helped me out, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I really hope you guys found this helpful. Comment, I love colorful scarves, if you get to this point in the video. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, I'll also have that link down below, so you can go check that out and see how we actually cleaned out the closet, because this is what it looked like before. So go check that out if you want to see that. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. It's such a beautiful job.